to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a directions unboxing. So I got a bunch of stuff because you guys know we love directions around here, and I got some stuff which I'm really excited for. I'm going to be taming this beast, adding some more color. She needs a bit of life in her, so let's do it. So the first thing we have is this mixing bowl, which has a rubber bottom, so she ain't going to be slipping anywhere. She's going to be nice and fitted, so that's really cool. I love the design, really cute. And then we have two brushes. So we have this red directions brush and this black directions brush. I love the bristles on the end of this. These are really good. I think these were only like $5 or $6 as well. A 4-pack of color, and then we have Pre Colour Shampoo. So it's the Pre Colour Shampoo. Then we have the Color Protecting Shampoo. Then we have the Color Protecting Conditioner, as well as the 4 colors that we've got today. So there is the new packaging as well here. So this is the new packaging. I got color Bright Daffodil, so bright and nice yellow. Don't know if I'm going to make this more yellow or keep it more of fluorescent, because I also got a fluorescent yellow as well. And this is the old packaging. So this is the new versus the old packaging. See, much bigger, much bigger. And then I have the shade Apricot, because that will go and brighten up this part as well. And then I have shade Flame, which looks really, really dark. I'm kind of scared for this, but looks pretty good. So I've got 4 colors here, these ones here. So I'm excited to transform my hair and make it look different. So yeah. So I'm going to be using all of these products today to kind of transform my hair, and I'm excited to do it. But my hair is such a mess and it's a little bit greasy too, so let's do it. I really don't know, like, I know definitely fluorescent yellow is going to go in this section here. So it's going to be in this section, and then I think maybe Bright Daffodil on the ends, and mix Apricot and Flame together for my actual hair, so it kind of looks like a fire. Maybe that's kind of like the gold to go with, but I kind of need to do the yellow first because that's lighter. Otherwise, I'm going to make a mess of things. So I need to get some gloves. Alrighty, so my hair is sectioned off. So this is all I want to be putting fluorescent yellow on. There's a little bit of ginger in there, but hey, that's okay. We're not all perfect. So I'm going to open up the fluorescent yellow, which has like a pull tab. The new ones don't, because these are the new bottles. These are the old bottles, new bottles. But that's okay. And I think instead of using the container, because I don't want to mix colors together, I'm just going to directly dip into here with my little guy that's here. All right, let's see how we get on. I'll just kind of see how we go, really. I wonder how... Oh yeah, so it's not much different than the color that I've got on at the minute, because I am using a different brand for the Fluoro Yellow, because I was waiting for this one to arrive. So I wonder how much different the color's going to be. I mean, they pretty much look the same with the brightness, but yeah, we'll see. But this is the fluorescent yellow part, so let's cover her all up in here. Let's do this section now. So that is the yellow done and dusted. That is the fluorescent yellow. It looks very yellow in the top, but I think it's going to work. It's going to be nice and fluoro, like looks nice and fluoro. We're going to kind of go from there and maybe mix up some other colors now. Section off some more here. Let's do it. All right, so next I'm going to try Bright Daffodil. It's Bright Daffodil there. So I'm just going to open her up, and she's got a little sealy thing. And we're going to just put that literally, I'm just going to wipe that straight onto my glove. I'm just going to put that down here. And I'm just gonna literally put that in the ends. We're just gonna make them be yellow ends. I'm just gonna do that. So I'm literally just gonna scoop it in. So normally with darker colors, I would dilute it with conditioner. With these ones, because yellow is such a light color, I'm not going to dilute with any conditioner because I just don't want the color to dissipate or anything like that. So I'm literally just slapping it in there because my hair drinks this stuff. I'm just scooping it in, just getting all those blonde ends with that yellow color. I'm going to make it really fiery. I'm just really going to yellow up those ends in there. I know all of that like bleach work is just disappearing right now. Like, look. Oh. Here we go. Yeah, she's looking like yellow ends. Fantastic. All right. Put the yellow in. Yes. See, nice and easy. Just quick, easy. Putting it in a bit rough still looks good. And you can see the color change already. All right, now because that yellow was a lighter shade, it doesn't matter if I get the orange and stuff in it. So I think I'm gonna do, in this little mixing bowl, I'm gonna get a little bit of flame, because flame looks really dark. And a little bit of flame here. I'm just, oh, it looks slightly orange when you look at it like that. It looks a bit more oranger than I thought it was going to be anyway. I'm just going to scoop that bit of colour in. Oh yeah, that's real orange. Look at that. It's super orange. Okay. And then I'm going to get some of the apricot. I'm just going to put that in as well. There we go. I'm just going to do a little scoop off the top. So a scoop of that in my bowl. And I'm going to get a scoop of the flame in my bowl. So I've got two colours together. I'm just going to mix it and see what colour kind of shows up. A nice kind of dark one. Then I'm going to get my colour protecting conditioner and I'm going to put a bit of that in. Yeah. So now I'm mixing these two colours with conditioner to make a really nice orangey shade. It smells so good too. It smells so good. So then we have a nicely orange there. So now it's time to just paint the rest of my head. I'm going to start with my fringe area first actually, because then that side's done. You can see how orange that is. Look. Oh my god. That's like so orange. I love it. Look how orange we're going. So she's going fluoro orange. I need to make sure I definitely get it on this side of my hair. I really should have dyed these at different times, but hey, you live and you learn, you know. You live and you learn. So just really drench all this up with that orange. Yes. They're doing it now, sis. Look at that. So I'm just going to cover my whole head and be right back. I definitely should have dyed these at different times because guess orange got in there. But so I've put the orange and the flame and everything in there, and the yellow. So it looks like that. This is the section here, which is very fluoro in comparison. But yeah, unfortunately some of the orange has definitely gotten into it. Not a lot of it has. So I feel like we're looking pretty good, but I might just plait it just so it's out of the way. Just because I'm like, oh no, have the orange in there. But pretty like unavoidable the way that I've done it. I've done it in a dumb way. So I really should have not done it this way. I should have plaited it like this afterwards instead of waiting. Because now I have the orange all through there, but that is totally fine. We will make that work. It's just a quirky little orange area. It's totally fine. Like she's, oh my god, it's a big orange area. Maybe I'll trim that bit out. Maybe she'll just trim out and then life will be Gucci. We'll be fine. Don't need to worry. It's all good. It is a lot, but it's okay. So now we just have to wait. What does it say on the boxes? It says you want to leave it on for 15 minutes. Oh, so you just need to leave it on for 15 minutes, and that's a really small amount of time. So yeah, I might leave it on for maybe half an hour. That's how long I normally leave my other hair dyes on for. So I might just leave it for half an hour, let it all sit, and then give it a really wash out and see where we're at. But yeah, it looks very, very bright now. So it'll be interesting to see how it washes out, see if it washes through here and changes the color of this. We'll see. But and I'm going to be using these two. So I'm excited. So let's get into it. I'm just looking at my hair now, and I've missed this patch right here. There's a whole patch I've missed of color. Like, look, it's just a little patch, so I might just run some more dye through there. But the yellow is looking quite nice and fiery at the minute. The fluoro looks good. Like, the fluoro looks really nice and bright. But you definitely need to chuck some in that because she's looking a bit naked. So let's put something in there. Crisis averted. We've put more dye back into it, so it is looking good. The yellow looks good. The yellow pretty much feels almost like it is just dried into it. Like, so when it's at that dried stage, you know that it's ready to like wash out, and this kind of feels the same, but you can see the difference in that compared to that is crazy. And it looks really good. She's like almost dark in a way, but I think it looks really pretty. I'm really excited to see the result. So it has been a further 15 minutes of leaving this stuff in, because it says only leave it in 15 minutes. Look at it in the sun though. I am dying. This is going to be so pretty. And the daffodil, I mean not the daffodil, the fluoro, it is pretty much all hard as well. It's a shame that I have the orange in there, but it's so pretty. I'm going to go wash it out now. Let's do it. I also wonder if the orange is going to wash off my face, because it's very much on my face. Let's see how easy it is. A little micellar water. So let's see. Oh, all right. So it literally just comes off. Okay. Well, that's crisis averted, because I was panicking. I'm not going to lie. I was like, oh, didn't realize that I was orange, because I've probably had it on for about half an hour now. So I think she's looking pretty good. Pretty good. Oh no, I'm dumb. I'm really dumb. The end of my hair has gone orange. Has not kept the yellow. I'm so scared that the fluoro is legit going to disappear and go peach. Please, God, no. Like, legit, look. The yellow's gone. It's gone peach because the runoff. No, what the fuck was I thinking? I'm shitting myself. Is it still... Oh, thank God. Oh, no, it's bled into it a little bit. Oh my God, don't mind the makeup, but I am traumatized right now. All the yellow's gone. My soul is trying to leave my body. Oh my God, please be fluoro still. I need to get it out. So far. The ends are not blonde, they are pink. Yay, success. So the ends of this did not stay yellow. So the runoff from this, which a lot of those ready tones has made it a really nice light apricot color. This stayed good, except the tiny little patch there, but this stayed good. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy that this stayed like that, because I can deal with the runoff from here. So just know, if you're going to be doing lighter and darker shades, I was very lucky that this stayed intact. Do them separately. Do them separately. So not that mad at it. It looks kind of nice at the ends. Happy that this stayed different. But yeah, please take my advice. People in the video are probably like, why is she doing that? Well, bitch, here's why. The only thing with these ends is that it's not going to be an even coverage because it had that color in it. But it kind of looks like the apricot shade anyway. So no, I'm not that mad. I think it actually looks quite nice. I'm excited to see it dry. So let's let it dry and style it and be there. This is the outside in the sun, and it is gorgeous. And this is just gorgeous too. I'm in love. I'm in love. And this is it the next day. So you can see how bright the orange ends are. So I love that. This is it curled as well. And this, the fluoro yellow, like the fluoro yellow, the fluoro yellow itself is just so insane. But I do love that the yellow shade, just the apricot, she ate that up. And then all of this dark flame in here, it looks very nice and dark and bright and vibrant, and I just love it. I just love it. So it looks really pretty. So I put some hair oil in there just to like hydrate her, but she looks cute. So overall, I think with all the colors, this definitely very vibrant, very bright. The flame mixed with the apricot is just absolutely stunning. And with the bright daffodil, just because I think I did that at the same time as this color just overtook this color, and that's just all the runoff. Because when I was washing it out and I washed out the yellow section first, it looked amazing, and then it went to this. But it's a happy accident because I'm loving the orange. It still looks very fiery, still looks very cute. Like, we love her. We love her. So I think if you are going to do darker tones with lighter tones, please do not make my mistake. Do them at separate times. But this is what it looks like here. So that is the colors there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. But this is it here. What do you think? Bye.